probably a 64, 63 maybe. This is an Impala. What do we got here? 63. And it says it's an SS. And it's in Youngsville. That's my town. I've never seen this car, guys. Big metropolis of Youngsville, and I have not seen this car before. That's amazing. Oh, this is nicely done. There again, look at this trim. Now, this trim here is not as nice as that other one. It's got a little work yet to be done, but God, they made some beautiful automobiles back in the day. I had a guy tell me one time that the early 60s cars were ugly. They were devoid of anything pretty. And I said, man, you are just nuts. You need to get out more. There was some cool stuff made in the early 60s. I guess he was comparing everything to a 57 Chevy, which was just chrome galore. Yeah, he said they were bland cars. This ain't bland. What's wrong with that guy? Tell you what, this body looks pretty straight. It's a well done car here. You got an automatic in this one. That's the neatest looking little shifter though. I don't believe I've ever seen one of those.